your felon-friendly jobs. Now Resume Kit is ready. This video will walk you through exactly how to use your resume and cover letter templates, step by step, start to finish. By the end, you'll have a professional, job-ready resume you can download and use immediately. Let's get started. After your purchase, you'll receive 2 separate emails from us. One email for each industry resume included in your kit. Each email includes an attachment with your resume and cover letter templates, plus a link back to this video if you need help. If you don't see the emails in your inbox, check your spam or promotions folder. Once you find them, open the first email. Inside each email, you'll find an attachment. Click to open it. Inside, you'll see 2 links, one for your resume template and one for your cover letter template. Both are designed to work together, so you'll want to complete both. Click the resume link first. This will open the template in Canva, a free design tool that works in your browser. You do not need a paid Canva account to use these templates. A free account works just fine. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you can create one for free in about 30 seconds. Before you do anything else, stop here. This step is critical. Click Make a Copy to create your own personal version of the template. This is important because the link you clicked opens the master template. You do not want to edit the master. By making a copy, you create your own version that you can edit, save, and download without affecting the original. Always edit your copy, never the original template. Now you're ready to personalize. Start at the top with your contact information. Replace the placeholder name with your full legal name, the name that matches your ID and employment documents. Add your phone number. Use a number you check regularly. Add your email address. Ideally, a professional-sounding email. If you don't have one, a free Gmail account works. For location, you can use your city and state. You don't need to include your full street address. Next, update the employer names, volunteer organizations, and educational programs so they reflect your actual experience. The template includes placeholder names as examples. Replace these with the real names of places you've worked, volunteered, or trained. If you completed a program during incarceration, such as a vocational training, certification course, or work assignment, you can include that here. Be accurate. Don't exaggerate or make anything up. Employers may verify what's on your resume. Now, update the experience bullets to match what you actually did in each role. The template includes example bullets to show you the format and tone. Adjust these to describe your responsibilities and accomplishments. Focus on what you did, how you did it, and any results, even if the results seem small. For example, loaded and unloaded delivery trucks, handling an average of 200 packages per shift. Or, maintained clean and organized work areas, passing all safety inspections. Be specific. Specific is more credible than vague. If you have more experience than what's shown in the template, you can add additional roles. Copy an existing experience block and paste it below. Then update it with your additional job, volunteer work, or training. Here's the key. Add experience rather than removing sections or changing the structure. I'll explain why in a moment. You may have heard that these templates are ATS optimized. Here's what that means in plain language. A TS stands for Applicant Tracking System. It's software that most employers use to manage job applications. When you apply online, your resume usually goes through the ATS first, before a human ever sees it. The ATS scans your resume for keywords, job titles, and formatting. If your resume is hard for the system to read, it might get filtered out, even if you're qualified. These templates are designed to be easily read by ATS software. The fonts, the layout, the section headings. All of it is structured for compatibility. That's why we recommend adding experience rather than deleting sections or rearranging the layout. The structure is part of what makes it work. When you're finished editing, it's time to download. In Canva, click Share, then Download. For most job applications, PDF is the best format. It preserves the formatting and works on any device. Save the file somewhere you can easily find it, and name it clearly, like firstname_lastname_resume.pdf. Before you send your resume anywhere, open the downloaded file and review it. Check for typos, missing information, or placeholder text you forgot to replace. Make sure your phone number and email are correct. These are how employers will contact you. A quick review takes 2 minutes and can prevent missed opportunities. When your templates are yours to use, edit, and download anytime. If you run into issues or have questions, Felon Friendly Jobs Now is here to support you. Good luck with your job search. You've got this.